So I'll be showing you how to use the fitness application on your iPhone even without an Apple Watch. So the fitness app comes pre-installed on your iPhone. All you have to do is find it and launch it. And it says welcome to fitness on the first page. Now, in case the app does not come pre-installed on your iPhone, then you can always go to the Apple App Store, tap on search and search for fitness. So you can find it there and tap on get to install. That's in case it's not available on your iPhone. Now, since mine is available, it says open, but if it's not there on your iPhone, it should say get, which you can tap on and install the app. Anyway, once you launch the app for the first time, you should see the welcome page. Just tap on continue. Now the next page is to personalize your fitness and health data. So go ahead and add your date of birth. Then add your sex. Just tap on sex and then choose female, male, or other, whatever that means. And then go to height, set your height, and then go to weight. And by setting height, I mean just using this scroller to scroll through and set your height. And then weight in kilograms. Choose your weight and then tap on continue. Now, the next page is going to be your daily move goal. So if you have your goal at 140 calories per day, you can increase or reduce that to whatever you want. Let's put it at 250 calories per day. So that's our move goal. And then tap on set move goal. And then it says stay motivated with fitness notifications. Tap on continue and allow notifications for fitness. So there you go. So you've set up your fitness app. It's going to now to track your distance every time you're walking or you're doing activities with your iPhone in your pocket. It's going to track everything it can track, mostly steps. So you can always come here to that profile icon and then go to health details. You can change your move goals. You can change the units of measurement. So for instance, if you prefer yards instead of meters or miles instead of kilometers, you can change whatever you need to change. And then just tap on done. And that's it. You're now set. So from now on, anytime you have your iPhone in your pocket, it's going to count your steps. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.